YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to bring this look to you today. I am going to be doing this Hollywood style look. You can definitely use this for any Halloween look. To be honest, you could put on any outfit with it. But if you're doing like a flapper or something a little more Hollywood-esque, you can definitely do that. So if you'd like to learn how to do this look, just keep on watching. All right, so let's get started. In the house, in the house. Okay, so I've already started with my base on and popping. I was about to start singing, my lip gloss is popping. Ooh, that's copyright. Don't get me, YouTube, don't get me. So, with this look, it is really simple, it's really easy. It's gonna take us like 2 seconds to do, because you're literally doing like a crease color, some eyeliner, and a red lipstick. So for this look, I'm gonna reach into my Morphe palette. Oh, it is loved, okay? It is real loved, but you're gonna see it anyway. And I'm probably gonna use some of these warmer tone browns and then mix in some of the darker browns just to define my crease some more. So, yes. Now, once you feel like that's blended, you're gonna go in with a smaller brush, okay? And you're going to define your crease some more. And what that's gonna do is it's actually gonna give you just some depth, you know? Like, you know how back in those old vintage movies, it was like, oh, why is her crease so prominent? I think it's because there weren't so many saturated fats in food and everyone was skinnier, but that's another note. It's because they were doing makeup that made their eyes look better. I'm taking a guess on that. I don't know. Talk to somebody from that time era. Talk to someone from that era. You are just gonna take a shade that's close to your skin tone, so you can dip into an eyeshadow palette. That's probably what I'm gonna do, but you can also use your face powder. That works too. Okay, now we are gonna slap some liner and some lashes on this bad boy and then get ready for the best part, which is the lipstick and the highlighter. Right. And we are back. So I've already done my liner and my lashes. So pretty much all you're doing is a cat eye. I can do a tutorial on that if you guys want, but you have to comment because I don't want to do something you don't want to see. Yes, comment down below if you want me to do a tutorial on anything in specific. So if you want foundation, if you want eyeliner, if you want how to put on lashes, please let me know and I will definitely make videos on those. But now, since the face is almost complete, all we need to do is put on mascara on the bottom lash line, highlighter, and our lipstick. And then we are, we done. Oh, and I forgot blush. Oh, we ain't going nowhere without no blush. Now, to make my eyes look bigger and appear bigger, I'm going to use the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I usually go on my waterline with this because it just makes it look like your eyes is big. Okay, so next I'm gonna do highlighter and my blush. I'm going in with my blush palette. It has all different types of shades and colors in it. I think I'm just gonna use more muted browns and different things like that because we wanna just accentuate the eyes and the lips the most. That's just my personal opinion. If you want something more ba-boom in your face, you could definitely go with a pinker color or something that just complements your skin tone. Okay, now I'm going to spray my face and do my highlighter. And again, we get our church fan. And I'm gonna get my highlight by Carly Bible. So next I'm gonna line my lips, and that is using the Chestnut pencil by MAC. This is my all-time favorite. It's gonna be my all-time favorite forever. Okay, so now that our lips are lined, we're gonna go into the lipstick. So I'm gonna be using an old favorite, which is Ruby Woo by MAC. That's not the case because the girl at Ulta told me this was red and handed me a box, and this is not red. Silently screaming. Anyway, let's go ahead and get to the lipstick. And then I'm just gonna dab a little bit of lip gloss on there because that's just me. I love lip gloss. I'm a lip gloss girl, but just a little bit in the center. And that, guys, completes the look. So I don't normally wear red lipstick a lot, but I'm kind of liking how this one turned out. So this is a quick and easy, fast, if you want to make this holiday glam, if you want to be like a flapper for Halloween, you know, one of the things with a little headdress or whatever. Or if you just want to do like Hollywood glam and just wear like a cute outfit and be like, whatever, I don't want to do all the extra. This is the look for you. Quick, easy, to the point, and easy to take off at night. So if you like this, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to know more about me and my information, you can go on www.charizguzman.com. See you guys later.